Hello friends, welcome to my channel. We are getting so much lovely comments on this video, and I am very happy. Thank you so much. And we are also getting so many requests that how to make this video. I made only one video and added for 4 times, because I don't have time. But you can make whatever you want. Now let's start. I have used 3 editor to edit this video, but you can use whatever editor you have. And it's even better if you make your own custom edit. Open the VN app. Tap on New Project and select to pictures. First picture duration 6.41. Second picture duration 3.46. Now apply animation on first picture like this. Now at song. You can add your favorite song. Or whatever you have. Now at transition. Zoom. Now at FX in second picture. Expand for 1.30 seconds. Divide the second picture for 1.50 and 1.96 duration. Add FX in last picture. Zoom in. For 0.90. Now export. Save to album. Now time to edit this video on Kinemaster. Tap on New Project and select Ratio. Now add exported video. Pan and zoom. Divide the video for 7.9 seconds and 1.9 seconds. Now add a duplicate layer. Now add blank image for 1.9 seconds. Drag the duplicate layer under the blank image and delete the split part of the video. Now apply animation on the layer. Floating. Now add key animation. Rotate. Now export. Now open the Vita app. Tap on New Project and select Exported Video. Now crop the useless area. Most important thing that select the ratio. Now arrange video left side up. and add another 3 different videos, as a layer like this. I made only one video and added for 4 times, because I don't have time. But you can make whatever you want. Now mute all layers, and export the video. If you like my video, so please share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.